Hello, it's Russell from Millboard again. So today we're just going to be giving you a brief overview as to the Durafix twin grip screw. So in the box we have a 50mm drive bit, which has got a little green sleeve on it, which actually gives you a depth gauge. And then we have here a box of 60mm screws, which we're just going to get out of the way. We actually do 3 different sizes of screw. So we have the 60mm, which is used for fixing millboard decking into timber. We have the 45mm, which is for fixing millboard decking into Plas-Pro, recycled plastic, or into the Duraspan. We also have a 35mm screw, which is purely used for fixing the fascia boards onto the side of a deck. So there's one very important thing I want to talk about, and that's in regard to the screws before you use them. So this is a silicone spray lubricant, not an oil spray lubricant. In this case, I'm just going to show you briefly box here. So we're going to spray it all the way through. We're going to make sure we get that silicone spray deep down, so all the screws, and we give it a little shake. Now I'm just going to talk about the process of putting the screw in. Put the screw on the surface, you give it a gentle push. I don't know if you can see that, you're just giving it a little push. It's not a massive push, but you've just got a bit of constant pressure, and then you want to drive the screw in all in one process. I'm slowing down now. I'm going up to the little green sleeve, and then when I pull it out, one of the important things is you must put enough pressure on the board, especially when it comes to the Plas-Pro and the Duraspan. Now you might see a little rise here, so we're going to be using the 45mm screws now. So again, a little bit of a pressure on the screw, but I'm pushing it. But you need that pressure on the board to push it tight against the subframe. And do you know what I'm going to do? I'm actually going to put it on slow speed, so you can actually see a little bit more of what is actually happening. So again, I'm in the grain. Did you see the board lift very slightly and then go back down again? So I had pressure on it. As the screw came through the board, it hit the plastic, which is a lot harder. The board rode up a little bit, and then the space on the screw where there's no thread helps it then to settle back down on the plastic, but you need to put the pressure on it. So there you have it, folks. That's a quick overview of how to use the Durafix twin grip screws. And if you have any questions, please put them in the comments below. Look forward to seeing you again in the next video.